Union Minister of State for Earth Sciences, Science and Technology and Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh announced the signing of a new 15-year contract between the Ministry of Earth Sciences and the International Seabed Authority for exclusive rights to explore polymetallic sulfides in the allotted 10,000 square kilometer area of the Carlsberg Ridge in the Indian Ocean. With this, India has become the first country in the world to hold two contracts with ISA for PMS exploration, reaffirming its pioneering role in deep-sea resource exploration and its strategic presence in the Indian Ocean. Dr. Jitendra Singh said that the new contract is a significant step towards realizing the vision of Deep Ocean Mission launched by PM Narendra Modi, which focuses on seabed mineral exploration, mining technology development, and strengthening India's blue economy initiatives. By formalizing exclusive rights for PMS exploration in the Carlsberg Ridge, India has further consolidated its leadership in deep-sea research and exploration. This will enhance our maritime presence and build national capacity for future resource utilization, Dr. Jitendra Singh said. Polymetallic sulfides contain valuable metals such as iron, copper, zinc, silver, gold, and platinum, and are precipitates formed by hot hydrothermal fluids from oceanic crust. Their strategic and commercial potential has attracted global attention, placing India at the forefront of deep-sea resource exploration. Highlighting India's long-standing partnership with ISA, Dr. Jitendra Singh recalled that India was the first country to receive an area for polymetallic nodule exploration in international waters and was designated as a pioneer investor. With two PMS contracts now in place, one in the Central Indian Ridge and Southwest Indian Ridge and another in the Carlsberg Ridge, India also holds the largest exploration area allocated for PMS in the international seabed. India's 30-year association with the ISA has been a source of pride, and as ISA celebrates its 30th anniversary, India reaffirms its commitment to working closely with ISA to deliver on its mandate for the common heritage of humankind, Dr. Singh said. He also announced that India's hosting the 8th ISA Annual Contractors Meeting in Goa marks another milestone in India's leadership role in seabed exploration.